In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your camera follow your champion in League of Legends. To get started, hop into a game so you can try this out in a safe space. A quick practice tool session is perfect because it lets you test things without pressure, and you can reset easily if you want to try the toggle a few times. Once you're loaded into the map and you can move your champion, you're ready to go. There are two simple ways to make the camera follow your champion. The fastest is the keyboard shortcut. By default, you can press the Y key, tap it once, and your camera will lock onto your champion. You'll notice the view centers on your character and automatically follows as you move. This is a toggle, which means pressing Y again will unlock the camera and return it to free movement. If you've rebound your keys in the past, just remember that the function is called camera lock toggle, and on most setups it's mapped to Y by default. If you prefer using the mouse, you can do the same thing with the on-screen control. Look to the bottom right area of your screen. You'll see a small camera icon there. Click that icon once to lock the camera to your champion. Click it again to unlock. The icon will visually change when it's locked versus unlocked, so it's easy to confirm the current state at a glance. Some players like this method because it's a clear, visual reminder of what mode you're in, especially if you're new and still getting used to the controls. When the camera is locked, it follows your champion everywhere, keeping them centered so you don't lose track during fights or while navigating the map. This is especially helpful when you're learning, because it reduces the chance of drifting the camera away while you're focusing on abilities, last hits, or quick skirmishes. Keep in mind that camera lock doesn't affect your zoom level. It only controls whether the view tracks your champion. Your normal scroll wheel behavior remains the same. If at any point you want to look around freely, just toggle it off by pressing Y again or clicking the camera icon once more. Many players switch back and forth depending on the moment, so don't be afraid to use the toggle as needed. That's all there is to it. Jump into a practice tool, press Y or click the camera icon in the bottom right, and your camera will follow your champion. Try both methods and use the one that feels most natural for you. Thanks for watching, and have fun on the Rift.